Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 244 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this Zuri Flawless Eye Color Stick. So I got this from ShopMissA, so it was only $1 and it's cruelty free, and I have it in the shade Jeweled Khaki, but it comes in 6 different shades. And lately I've just been really into eyeshadow products that are different from the traditional powdered eyeshadow that you would apply with a brush. I've been really loving cream eyeshadows and stick eyeshadows, so I was really drawn to this product, especially by the color, because I do have green hazel eyes, and this is basically like a green hazel stick. So I'm hoping that this will look really nice, but I'm also hoping it'll be a great formula. It'll be very versatile. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. Ooh. Also, $1. Let's see how much product we actually get. Okay, so that's as far up as it actually goes, even though that's like half the length of this tube. Such a bummer when products are deceiving. But yeah, let's see how this swatches. This color is perfect. It truly is the way it looks in the pencil, and it has beautiful shimmer, full pigmented color. I am so impressed. Wow, that color is truly beautiful. Let's go ahead and apply it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my entire eyelid so I can really see how this looks, how the formula is, but then I also want to try using it as an eyeliner. So next week I'm gonna be traveling to Dallas, Texas for the first time. Oh, I'm so excited. I've never been to Texas, and I'm actually trying to go to all 50 states as like a bucket list goal of mine. So I'm really excited to be going to Dallas, being able to check off Texas from my map. So let me know in the comments down below if you've ever been there, if you have any recommendations of things to do, places to go there. I'm a big fan of the show Married at First Sight, and this season is taking place in Dallas. So all that I've really even seen of Dallas is from that show. And I mean, the people seem great. It looks really nice there. So I'm really excited to go see for myself. Okay, wow, I am so impressed by this pigment. And the sheen is so pretty. It has such pretty shimmer sparkle, like full color that's so easy to apply so precisely. I feel like it does look funny with only this color on my eye. I would definitely want to do a crease shade and incorporate other colors, but for the purpose of this review, I have an all over eyeshadow look and I don't hate it. It kind of makes me want to try like a cut crease type of look with this, because it would be so easy to do. I would just draw in the cut crease. I don't even need to use concealer, go through all of that, because this is so pigmented and so precise. And I just love this color, that it's a different take on a bronze, because it does have that kind of green hint to it. Wow, so pretty, so different. Let's see how this looks as an eyeliner. I really like it as an eyeliner because it's so easy to apply in this chubby stick form, but it looks like so much more dramatic. It has a gold shine effect to it that looks so pretty and different from just a regular green or black eyeliner. So this is definitely something that I would love to use as an eyeliner, even for just like a casual type of look, to draw the attention to my eyes. So I just want to do like a zoomed in view of how this eyeshadow looks with my green hazel eyes. And I think it looks really cool. It looks really nice, but I think that this color would also look great with every other eye color, because this color eyeshadow is just so pretty and unique, in my opinion, that you can really create some cool eyeshadow looks. I'm curious about the smudging. Ooh. Yeah, that smudges away completely. Yikes, that's too bad. I'm gonna have to be very careful when wearing this that I'm not rubbing my eye, but that's not something that I typically do, so it should be able to stay in place. But just something to note, that it's not Smudge Proof. So I will say, as time has gone on, there is some creasing now. So I would want to use an eyeshadow primer, maybe even a powder before applying this to prevent that creasing, since this is more of a creamy texture. But for $1, this is a great eyeshadow pencil. Beautiful color, beautiful pigment, great application. It's everything I could ask for a $1 eyeshadow stick. This is awesome. And I just appreciate how easily I'm able to apply it, because I don't always have the time to spend creating these elaborate eyeshadow looks. So when I have a product like this, I can get some really cool looks, but in a much easier way and in a much more inexpensive way too. ShopMissA continues to impress me. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.